Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with what matters, enabling auto hide. Right-click the taskbar and open taskbar settings. Turn on automatically hide the taskbar for the display you're using. Once done, make sure the taskbar behavior matches your preference, main display, and any secondary displays separately. This is the fastest way to hide the bar without registry edits. If you prefer keyboard flow, note that opening settings with Win+I gets you there quickly. Now proceed to refine behavior and handle exceptions. Now refine why the bar might resist hiding. Open notifications and actions and disable persistent badges or app notifications that force the taskbar visible. Next, review background apps and turn off any program that constantly needs attention. These apps keep the taskbar open. If settings don't take effect, restart Explorer, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, and click Restart. That forces a fresh shell with your new hide behavior. Make sure full-screen apps are allowed to take focus, so the bar stays. Finish by verifying behavior. Use Win+D or F11 to test immediate hiding and full-screen apps to ensure the bar stays out of view. If it still appears, inspect Group Policy or the registry for policies that override auto-hide. Corporate devices often lock this. As a last resort, create a clean user profile to rule out user-specific settings. Troubleshooting tip: if the taskbar refuses to hide, restart in safe mode to see whether an app or driver is preventing auto-hide. That isolates the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.